So now we will go with next topic. So what is the next topic now? Okay, string class constructors. String class constructors. Okay, no. So now, no. Okay, now we have many constructors, guys, but we will see. Okay, so the majorly we are using, right, some constructors. We are going to discuss those constructors only. So what is the first constructors here? Okay, string s is equal to new string. This is the first constructor. Okay, now we are using what? Zero argument constructor. This is what, guys?
Yes, sir.
Zero argument constructor, right?
Yes, sir.
After creating of string object, so we are using zero argument constructor to initialize the initialization of that object. What is the purpose of constructors? Initialization of an object, right? Come on, guys.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No, here what? If you use this constructor, it creates what? Creates an empty string object, right?
Yes, sir.
Empty string object. What is the next constructor? String s is equal to new string of, okay, here we are passing what? Some string literal. Okay, guys, some string literal like Santosh. Okay, now this constructor is what? Parameterized constructor. Okay, single parameterized constructor, right? Now it creates an equivalent string object on the heap area. Come on, for the given literal.
Yes, sir.
Right? If you use this constructor, what will happen? It will create
Object.
Okay, one object
In
heap area
and one object in SCP area.
SCP area also it will create. Okay.
Yes, sir.
With the content of what?
Santosh.
Oh, sorry, Santosh. Right? No.
Yes.
What is the third constructors we have? Okay. No. String s new string of string buffer. Understand? If you pass string buffer object, with that object also we can create what? One string object. So come on, I think already we discussed while the introduction of string class. Okay, by using three classes, we can create a string. One class is string class, another class is string buffer class, another class is string builder class. Okay, so now this is one of the constructor. What is the constructor? String buffer. What is the argument type here? String buffer.
String buffer.
Okay, so now by using this constructor also we can create what? String object. Okay, now what is the next constructor we have?
String builder.
String s is equal to the new string of string builder. Okay, guys, this is what? Another constructor. Now string builder. Okay, if you pass string builder object, with that object also what we can create? String object. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Just I'm creating one string buffer object, guys. You guys are not speaking anything, no? Not responding.
Sir, understanding, sir.
New string buffer. So here I'm passing like Vignesh. Right? So now string s is equal to new string of Here I am passing yes,
Yes,
B.
B.
Okay, right. So now if I print s system.out.println of s means what it will print now?
Vignesh.
Vignesh.
Vignesh. I created string object by using string buffer.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, string builder also. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear.
Sir.
Yeah. So now we have other. What is the other constructor now? Okay. Now string s is equal to new string of byte array. Understand? So this is
Yeah,
what
okay.
one more constructor. What is this constructor? What is the
Byte
argument of
array.
this constructor? Byte array.
Byte
It is
array.
expecting byte array. Okay. If you pass
Yeah,
byte
okay.
array, then it will convert all this byte array into characters and it will print string.
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 Understand?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now let's assume here. See now I'm creating one byte array. Byte array b is equal to new byte array. Okay. What is the 98 ASCII value?
98 B.
Small a.
97 small a, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
small a.
Small
Small B.
97 and 98,
90.
99, 100, 101. Like that if I pass.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Like that. If I pass, now string s is equal to new string of, am I
B.
passing what? B.
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 Okay. I'm using this constructor, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the parameter it is expecting? Byte array. So that's what,
Byte
what is
array.
the B? That's what I'm passing B here. Because what is the parameter? Byte array, right? Now B. Now system.out.println of s means what it will print?
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C,
A, B, C,
A,
D,
B.
C,
E.
E.
Okay. So this is the output we will see finally. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
clear.
sir.
So now we have one more construct called string s is equal to new string of char array. Okay. I think already we discussed. String is what, guys? Sequence of characters. Come on.
Sequence.
We discussed
Yes.
while discussing what? String introduction. Right?
Yes.
So now here I'm creating one char array.
Char array.
ch is equal to new
New char
char.
array.
Okay. Now here, let's suppose if I print s, c, h, o, o. Okay, guys. L.
Yeah, okay.
Now, if I print, no, string s is equal to new string
New string
of
of CH.
ch. Come on, guys. If I use this constructor, what is this constructor? Is parameter type here?
Character.
char array. So it is
Char.
expecting to what? Char array object. What is the char array object here? ch. So that's what I'm
CH.
passing, char array object,
CH.
right? So now system.out.println of yes. What is the output we will see here?
Yes, CH.
School.
Right? School
Yes.
as an output. Come on, guys. The sequence
Yes,
of
sir.
characters is nothing but string, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Clear,
Clear
sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
The
clear.
constructors of string class.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.